can slay in less than 5 minutes with this unit. Hey guys, it's me, Simply Wendy, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing pretty well today. And today I have for you this gorgeous unit, right? By Freetress Equal. The name of this unit is called Valentino. Yes. Okay, the name of this unit is called Valentino, and I picked it up in the color PB27. Here is the stock card. So the specs on this unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, plus the adjustable strap. This is not a lace front unit, so this unit didn't come with any type of lace to cut. That is the 5-inch lace parting that came with this unit. I didn't do anything to that parting space but add in my foundation. Alright, nothing but add in the foundation. This unit did come with baby hairs right there by the parting space so that it could look a little, you know, like a nice gorgeous weave, which is what it's looking like. I am loving this unit, okay, loving it. I'm loving the 27 pieces right there in the front where it just frames your face. I'm loving the volume on this unit. The density is a great density. The luster is so natural. It's not high, it's not shiny. I haven't experienced any shedding. I haven't experienced any tangling. It is a big head friendly unit, so I do have the adjustable straps crisscrossed. I have no cons about this unit, none whatsoever. It lays flat. It's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Okay, and if you're a beginner for wigs, you should get this because it's so easy. You don't have to do anything to it. It's just put on 1, 2, 3 and go. Let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video because there's nothing else to say. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It's me, Simply Wendy, signing out.